That was posted 2 years ago, apparently. You know what? Let's pretty print this. That's console.log .map. New d dot to date string. Okay, cool. Let's just see what this does. So it says they were all hunted in let's see how many of them there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then there are more than 6 things here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So why is it not getting all of them? Products dot map p dot name. Let's see which ones it's missing out on. Let's plus p dot created epoch. Okay, let's try this. See what happens. Okay. Team watch. Shut your mouth. Ship fast. Ship fast, tweet fast for Mac menu bar, fine, I'll quit, and coding radio. Wait a sec. Maybe it's because these ones aren't featured or something. This is very odd. Yeah, so it seems to only be getting the featured ones. What's this? Sergio. What has he got to say? Cool. Thanks, Sergio. Okay, so for some reason it's glad I picked up on this, because like I nearly could have missed this. Oh, what's the difference? Oh! Should be seal posts made by a user. Wait a sec, what's the difference between seal posts created? Are we getting posts or products? I think we might be getting posts. Not if we're getting products. Well, that's annoying then. Maybe we want posts. Let's see what would happen if we got posts. There we go. Still not much difference. So we'll leave it with products. So, yeah, if you're wondering what's going on here, basically for some reason when I request the posts, they're not all showing up. Weird emoji that my computer can't understand. Tooth? What? I'm confused. From the guys I threatened. Nope, not yet. I didn't like full on threaten them, don't worry. I was just like, I might have to use another product. No, I haven't. Okay, right. This is, what's the time? 3 a.m. How far through are we? Okay, we're 1/3 the way through. I'm wondering... I was going to say this is taking too long, but we need to have all of their products. So I think the difference is that says posted 2 years ago, and it says featured. Maybe post stop link. So this is very weird. 6. It's only returning 6 of them. Is there like, I don't think there's a max. Was I not gonna take a break an hour ago? Yeah, I was. I'm kind of stuck though. And I don't think I don't think it's like a problem where like I can like come back to and suddenly know the answer. Like I'm thinking it might be like a problem with the actual API. But let's parameters. What if we say like does that change anything? Nope, doesn't change anything. What? Okay. Beautiful. I basically have no idea what to do about this. If any of you know, tell me. Yeah, because I have no idea what's going on. Contact product hunt. I could. What's time in PST? Let's see what time it is there now. 8:03 AM on Saturday. I doubt product hunt will be on at 8:03 AM on a Saturday. What? Yeah, product hunt. 8:03 AM. Yeah, I mean, like, I could contact them. I'm just thinking how I'm going for time. I wonder what the best way to contact them is. Maybe, like, I doubt they'll be able to push a fix if it's like just something that they can't do. But in case there is a way that I haven't seen, let's do it. Hey, I have a question about the product hunt API. I'm trying to get the products that a user has made. But it is only returning the ones that have been featured. Is there a way, any way to get products made a user? Also, you're online. I need a reply ASAP. Doing the 24-hour startup challenge, and have how many hours left? 3 a.m. So that's 16, I think. 16 hours left. Thanks. How long have we been streaming for now? 8 hours. Nope, I don't think those will help me. Okay, how about get the latest posts? Because then they won't all be featured, I think. This is kind of odd. Okay, I think, okay, let's just go with let's just pretend that not featured posts don't exist for the moment, and we'll go with shortest, longest. Then I'm going to do average as well, and then we'll push this, I think, or maybe just save it, comment it, something like that. So first we're gonna say all durations dot push, and actually basically just this thing, and get average of array JavaScript. They're like, here we go. So what we can say is console.log average all durations dot reduce I had to reduce somewhere else, right? Total num total plus num dot that should, yeah, divided by all durations dot length. Let's try this. Oh yeah, but we need to format it nicely. So, humanize duration. Whoop, no. Humanize duration. That. And then, no, what are we looking for? Duration options. There we go. Let's try this. Wait a sec, what? It used to say 21 days, did it not? Could have... It's interesting. Somewhere there changed from 21 to 3 months. Okay, you know what, let's just get this out here. Because if I keep doing this for too much longer, I will end up behind schedule, which we don't want. We will also... Okay, what is... Something weird is going on with this indenting. Everything correct? Yeah, okay, yeah, so that average looks about right. And let's do it for Peter levels. See what his data is. There we go. 3 days, 5 months, average 1 month. Okay, and then who's somebody who's shipped like a few things, but not many things? How about Pat Walls? Let's find Pat Walls. Here we go. Okay, So this is for pat walls. Shortest 7 days, longest 2 months. Does that look about right? 5 made. I mean, actually, yeah, it probably would be because of all his 24-hour startup stuff. So that was like, yeah, that does make sense. Yeah, 23 viewers, nice. So it said the longest was 7 months, right? Where are we looking? So that was 2 months ago, and then this was 10 months ago, which is like 8 months ago, 7 months ago. Perfect, awesome. So for everybody who's just come on, now it gets the shortest time between 2 product hunt launches, the longest time, and the average. That took longer than I would have liked, but it's done now, mostly. So boom. The music. What happened to the music? It's weird. Did my VLC just like crash? What on earth? Okay, everything just disappeared from VLC. Let's put it back in. Don't know what that was about. Very odd. It's back now. Except that's too loud. Was it about there before? I forgot the volume. So So yeah, is that an alright volume? Tell me, everyone, if the volume's good. I think it's like a bit louder than it was before. Too loud. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Is that better? Tell me now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, tell me when the music's good. If I should turn it up or down. Okay, so now instead of console.logging this, volume up max. Wait, really? Quit unexpectedly again? Volume down, please. I feel like everyone's kind of receiving it at different times. Because one person's saying to turn it up, one person's saying to turn it down, and one person's saying it's good. Let's go to the middle. I think that was about the same volume as before. Okay, so now we're gonna say page info, was it? Dot product hunt shortest duration. What would you call it? It's probably a bad name, but too bad. And then this will say longest duration, and then we can make we'll make this yeah, average duration. Average. Okay, awesome. Volume is perfect. Okay, cool. Here we go. So shortest duration, 7 days. Wait, I thought it was 5 days. What? No, okay, it was 7 days. Cool. Yeah, that would be right, I think, because he did the 24-hour thing one weekend and then did it again the next weekend. The longest is 7 months, and because of that, the average goes up quite a bit. So yeah, maybe I should change it to like median or something. Because like if you have like a one massive break, then your average will go up a lot. But we can work out all that like fancy stats stuff later. So yeah, did I finish the project? Nope. We are only like 8 hours in out of 24, so we still have a while left. Yeah. So now our nice object, what does it return? So name, post count, header image. Okay, so he doesn't have a header image. That's interesting. So we'll have to have like an error handling thing. If they don't have a header image, then we've got followers, total votes, then we have products, taglines, votes, created, epoch, thumbnail, URL, yeah, stuff. Getting tired. Let's take like actually let's just see if there's anything easy, anything like any other easy stuff that I can add now, so we're feeling good about stuff, because I probably spent a bit too long on that. Side note, I wonder if anyone's ever this is just a random thing that popped into my head. I wonder if anyone has ever like had like 2 products made by them launched in the one day. That would be pretty funny. Oh yes, average upvotes for product hunt launches. That is a good idea, because at the moment we just have the total upvotes. That's something which is easy to add. Total votes, here we go. Then page info dot product hunt average votes is equal to page info dot product hunt total votes divided by products dot length. Cool. And that should just work. So the average votes for Pat Walls is 486.6. We should probably round that, I think. Should we? Okay, let's think here. Yeah, let's just round it. It'll make things nicer. Decimal points take up like a lot of space on the page. Dot round. Cool. Okay. Awesome. So now we have average votes too. Average daily position. Not going to put that yet. Yep, we've got total upvotes, then average daily position, we don't have. List of WIP/maker.log products, calendar, link to Telegram profile, Nomad list profile, oh yeah, Twitch embed, that would be cool. Okay, so like really the only other product hunt stuff here is these. Now, like my only problem with this, you see, is like for each product that they've made, like I'll have to get 2 requests. I'll have to get one for the day and one for the month. I don't think they have an easy way to do week. So like that means 2 requests per product. In fact, if I did week, then it would be 9 requests per product. But like even just with 2, and like let's say Peter Levels, he has like 29 products there. So then that means we'd end up with like, yeah, then we'd end up with like nearly 60 requests for 1 page load, which is basically insane, as opposed to 2. So I think for the moment I'm actually gonna cross these out. It is a really nice thing to have though. So I mean, a bit later on, we'll see if there's like a nice way to do things. Oh, Aberdesi liked that. That's interesting. So Aberdesi is one of the people who work at Product Hunt, and like she's on Twitter at the moment because she just liked my thing. So hopefully she is on Intercom and she sees my thing that I sent her, asking her about the API. I mean, like she won't know, like I assume, because she's like the community person, but like she might know who to tell or who to ask. Okay. Oh wait, we still have the test stuff in here. Wait a sec. I'm gonna type in my password again. Okay. So what do we, yeah, okay, I'll also, add Telegram to the list of things, I think. Okay, I'm really like hanging out to work on the front end now. But basically, yeah, so now we've got all the product hunt stuff done. I think might like get some food and check Twitter, like maybe drop in on a few people's streams. Then we can start with like the maker.rocks API maybe. Okay, first of all let's post a status update. Okay, okay, this was like 3 hours ago. Okay, whoop. Don't want to click on my Twitch link. I want to add another tweet. Okay. From the APIs. And then I'm thinking I'll have like check and so here we have then with .chat. In case you're wondering why I'm indenting these, it's so it's clear it's not part of the main list. maker.rocks status update for maker.rocks still working on the function that gets info from all the APIs. We'll also have Twitter API. What's the time? 3:34. So we still have 1.5 hours until the interview with Pat. I feel like I want to do one of the easier ones first, so I'm in a good mood for Pat. How do you handle the login? I basically I store the current session ID in local storage. So like if I go in here, what are we looking for? Application. Then it has like email address and then a code, and basically what happens is when you sign in, it generates and stores a code like in Stripe metadata, and then it emails you. Then it emails you the like a link which stores the code and email in your browser, and then in every request that it makes from the browser, it includes that code and it checks it with the one in Stripe metadata before doing anything. Okay, cool. 8. Dinner, be right back. Might do the Twitter API next, actually, since it is super easy. Doing an interview with Pat Walls in, let's think, 4 o'clock, 1.5 hours. Let's just okay, cool. I like that. Oh, nearly forgot Twitch link. How many people are watching? 20. Hey, 20 people. What's up? -5. Okay, cool. Awesome. I'm gonna retweet that from my phone quickly. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do Twitter because that's really quick. And yeah, I'm just retweeting from maker.rocks on my phone. And awesome. So I think, yeah, we should check Twitter notifications soon, right? Awesome. Thanks everyone. Haha. Nice screenshot of me. Sergio, Mubashar, and who's this? Never heard of this guy. Anyway, cool. Awesome. Damn it. Cool. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do the Twitter API. Now Sergio taught me this cool trick Yep, okay, so if I request this URL, then it should work. Okay. Just thinking about how I'm going to do this. Node. Oh, wait. Okay, okay, so let's have a thing here which basically says promise chains equals 0. Then here we will say promise chains dot push. Is it here? No. Awesome. Why did I say 0? This should be an array. Cool. So let's say promise dot all. Then what was it? Promise chains. This should be return promise dot all. Promise chains. Dot then is here. Let's try this, see if this works. So last time we checked it was working. Let's see if it's still working. Yes, okay, that's a good start. Then we're going to have a similar thing to this. Except should be Twitter username and Twitter username. Then we are going to, where was it? Here we go. Is this URL? RP URI is that. So let's go that screen names equals metadata dot Twitter username dot console.log response. I'm pretty sure it's JSON. Okay. Dot. Wait, yeah. Dot push. Awesome. There we go. Cool. So what we want is formatted followers account. Count, not account. Oh, hey Corey. What's up? So you might have seen on Twitter, but so far I've got all this data from the Product Hunt API. So like name, post count, like avatar, header image, followers, like total votes across all products, average votes per product, then like the posts with just some info about them, then the shortest duration between two launches on Product Hunt, the longest duration, and the average duration. And now I'm just getting like Twitter name and followers, and yeah. Okay, so I think here, do we care about ID? No. In fact, we don't really care about any of this except formatted followers account. Count, you know what I'm trying to say. But I think we just want the number. But this will be good because then people like with a K or whatever, like that'll work nicely. So, yep. Oh, cool. Is that all data? Yeah, pretty much. I think. Yeah. I mean, you could probably get some more stuff, but I think that's most of the relevant stuff. Yeah, Lambda. So like Netlify Cloud Functions, but basically the same. So like I call a URL and then it just like updates stuff, which is cool. So in here we want to say page info dot Twitter follower count formatted equals response dot formatted followers count dot replace followers with nothing. Let's try that. Can't read a replace of undefined.